me again, Val. So for today, as you have seen in the intro, we will be doing a foundation review, which is parang sobrang tagal ko nang hindi gumagawa. Yes, I got a package from the Purple Shopper of Singapore. And yeah, let's open this one and at the same time, try it on kung maganda talaga yung foundation na sinindi sa akin. Okay. Oh, okay. Sobrang sealed siya, guys. There. Comes with a bubble wrap. Every time I see bubble wraps, guys, it's like a nostalgic feeling kasi I remember when I was really young, every time we open something when I was back home, tapos it comes with a bubble wrap. Alam mo yung mag-aagawan kayo, tapos you just do that. Ako kayo ba ginagawa niya rin yung before? So yeah, it gives me that, I don't know, parang relaxing feeling. Parang ang ganda lang magputok-putok ng ganyan. So mamaya natin yan pag-didiskatan. So we got this foundation from Phoera, something like that. Open this one. So it is a 30 ml of a product, so that's 1 fluid ounce. And the claims for this foundation, of course, let's do the claims for this foundation. It says it stays up to 24 hours and it's a matte without the flat. O, diba? Medyo mataas-taas yung claim niya, guys. It's a 24-hour matte foundation. Air-light texture finish. Hides imperfections for a smooth complexion. Oil-free and silicone-free formula that gives you flawless coverage and reduces the appearance of lines and wrinkles. Available, and it says it's available in various shades ranging from light to deep. So I got the shade 104 Buff Beige. It was raved online, that is for sure. So let's see if it's really going to stand up for what it's claiming to. But anyways, let's go try it on. And just like the usual, every time we do our foundation testing, you guys, I'm gonna do the half part of my face with a sponge and the other half with a brush. And of course, the other half is also primed and the other one is not primed, just so we could see if the product works with or without primer. And at the same time, if you just have a sponge or if you're just using with a brush, then let's see how it's going to look. And yes, without further ado, let's just go start and test this foundation. Okay, I like that it doesn't smell anything. Wala akong masyadong ma-smell na alcohol content or something like that. I'm not really sure about the packaging, you guys. Parang plasticky siya or something like that. But yes, just like I said, we're going to use a primer on the other half of my face. So for this one, we're going to prime our right side. Okay, I'm using the Maybelline Baby Skin. And as always, you guys, just like I always say on all of my foundation videos, make sure to always prime your skin. Prep your skin with moisturizer. Perfect timing ngayon, guys, na mag-foundation review tayo kasi if you notice, medyo nagkakaroon ako ng sumpa ngayon sa face. I don't know why, but yeah. So, we're going to use the sponge on the side where we put some primer on. So medyo tacky pa siya. So let's hope that the shade of this matches me. Pisil ako ng pisil, guys. Nakalock pala siya. It's not too liquidy, very creamy yung texture niya, guys. Okay, I think it's not too bad. Hindi naman siya ganun. Oh, wow. far, I like how easy it is to blend the foundation, you guys. Hindi siya nagsisit sa pores. And very skin-like yung texture niya. I think the color really matches my skin tone, so that is good. And yes, I can see that if this is, I feel like it is just a medium to full coverage. I mean, that is still a very good coverage for just one layer. So we'll try to do a second layer on this side. Let's just see if it's going to build into a full coverage. So far, you guys, I am loving this foundation. Wala siyang kahirap-hirap i-blend. And it feels very lightweight too. Doesn't really look too matte. If you notice, there's still a little bit of a kind of like a glow on this side. And I think yun naman talaga yung claim niya, diba? Yung matte but not too flat. There's a potential na magiging favorite ko na naman tong foundation na to, you guys. Ang ganda niya. And again, this is like 2 layers already. And looking at it in person, very skin-like texture siya, guys. And yeah, hindi naman siya ganon kabilis mag-set, but I don't see that as a problem. It covered my scars. As you can see, meron pa rin akong konting scars here and my scars here. Let's just hope it doesn't oxidize. But so far, I am loving it. And that is with the sponge. And I just got this sponge from Miniso, if I'm not mistaken. And then, of course, let's proceed. Oh my god, I really love it. Close up tayo, guys. Okay, now let's do the other side without a primer and using it with my favorite all-purpose brush from Joe Fresh. Just stipple it right into the face there. So far so good, you guys. I don't see any streaks or anything like that. As you notice, I only am still using just 1 layer of foundation. And parang pareho na sila ng sponge. See? So that means mas fuller coverage yung makukuha nyo if you are using a brush. Sobrang dali niyang i-blend, you guys. I'm not gonna go out today kasi medyo maulan sa labas ngayon. It didn't say that this foundation is waterproof. It just says it's 24 hours. So far, so good. We're just going to finish our makeup and then we'll do our time check. This is just the final look that I created. Since I'm not really going out, I didn't put on a lot of makeup. So all I did, you already know that. Of course, I just placed on a highlighter and some blusher and some lip gloss, and pretty much that's it. So time check, it is already 1:41, so it's almost 2 o'clock in the afternoon. And yeah, just like what I said a while ago, we're just gonna do a few errands here and there, and then I'm gonna do maybe like a 4-hour time check later on, and then after that we'll finish it off after 8 hours. And then let's see how the foundation is gonna last if I'm going to oil up. And you pretty much all know that my skin is very oily. It tends to oil up in about like 2 hours or so. So yeah, let's see how this foundation is really gonna last on me. But so far, you guys, the texture, the appearance, pretty much I'm blown away. Kasi Sobrang ganda talaga ng feel niya. And I didn't set this with the powder as well para makita natin kung maganda talaga yung magiging performance ng foundation na to. Alright, so see you later on my first time check. Alright, you guys, so let's do the time check. It is already 5:12 in the afternoon. So yeah, we're already on the 4th hour. And so far, you guys, I am really impressed. I mean, I didn't set this with a powder, so obviously there's a little bit of shine that's going on, but this is a paper towel, and let's just see how much oil I would be able to absorb. It is not transfer proof, so if you can see, yeah, that is a lot of oil. But then again, just like I said, I didn't set this one with a setting powder or anything like that, no spray. So this is just the foundation itself. And as you notice, guys, look at how my skin looks like. It's very skin-like. It's very natural looking. And yeah, I really love the texture of this on my face. Very flawless pa rin siya, guys. So yeah, that is the 4-hour mark, and I'll get back to you later on in the evening, and let's see how it looks like after 8 hours. Alright? Ayan, you guys. I'm so ready to just go to bed now. It's been a long day. I know I said that I am not really gonna do anything, but it turned out that I was actually a little bit productive today. So this foundation was really put to the test because I was filming, so there was like a spotlight on my face. It was really hot, and yeah, I was cleaning my place. And time check, it is already, I don't know if you could see it, it's right there, 23:02, so that is 11:02 in the evening. And yes, what can I say about this foundation? I am actually impressed, you guys. I'll zoom you in. Yeah, medyo oily na siya, if you can notice here on my nose area, super oily na. And so we're going to do another blotting test. And again, there you go. But what I really noticed is even though that I get oily, and because again I didn't set this with a powder, I got oily on my T-zone, but then I noticed it didn't cake on me, you guys. Like, however it looked like upon first application, ganun na ganun pa rin siya kahit na nag-oil up na yung face ko. I mean, the foundation, the blusher is still there, my highlighter is still there. I'm going to remove my glasses, but I won't be able to see you. So, ayan. If you notice, guys, sobrang ganda pa rin ng texture ng foundation. And yeah, very lightweight siya, and it's a little bit tacky, but again, I didn't set it with the powder, so maybe that's the reason why. So what if I set this with the powder, right? So for sure, mas mahaba pa yung longevity ng foundation. Yeah, I am so impressed with this foundation, you guys. I love it, and I'm definitely going to wear this one again, that is for sure. Yeah, I definitely recommend this foundation. I'm not sure how it's pronounced. I think it's Phoera or Phoera, but anyways, I will link Purple Shopper's website or her link down below, so that you can check her out as well. If I'm not mistaken, this foundation is around $16. Again, Purple Shopper, thank you so much for this foundation. It is amazing. I'm so impressed with how it lasted on my skin. I just can't say enough. I am so impressed with this foundation, you guys. Thank you so much guys for watching and joining me in this foundation review. And of course, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, click on the subscribe button down below and the notification bell beside it so that you get notified every time I make a new video. Thank you so much guys. Bye!